Hello and welcome everyone to this quick guide on how to add or modify your personal details in the Ant web platform. So whether you need to update your bank details, email address, mobile number or home address, the process is very simple here. You just need to follow these easy steps for that. So to begin with, the first thing you need to do is log in into your Alice Blue account using your login credentials. And once you get logged in, here on the top right corner, you will find this app section here. Just click over that, and now under that particular thing you will find this bot section. Just select that, and once you select that you will be redirected to our bot dashboard page. Now over this particular page, again on the top right corner you will find this profile section here, and under that profile section you will find my account section. Just select that, and once you do select that you will be redirected to this particular page where you can see under the personal section you will find the field email, mobile number and address. So from here you can either add your information if it is not already there, or else you can update that if you wish to make any changes to your previous entries there. Now if we talk about bank details, then on the left you can see this bank section here. Just click over that and you will be redirected to this bank section here. So now here, as I already added my primary account, so it's showing like this. So if you want to make any changes to your primary account, simply click on this pen icon and do any of the changes that you want to do in your primary bank account details, right? Or else if you want to add another account, you can simply click here, add account, and after that you will be asked to fill all of these particular fields, that is account number, bank IFSC code, MICR code, bank name and bank address. Fill all of these details and simply hit the submit button, and it will be saved as secondary bank details there. Or else if you want to keep these bank details as primary, you can simply check this button, that is set primary. So basically that's it guys. That's the quick guide on how to add or modify your personal details on Ant web platform. So now you know how to add and update your bank details, email ID, mobile number and address in Alice Blue. So thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more guides like this.
Investments in securities markets are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.